A survey company is interested in conducting a statewide poll prior to an upcoming election. They are only interested in talking to registered voters. Imagine that 55% of the registered voters in the state are male and 45% are female. Then it also has the breakdown of percentages for each age level. Then they have the tree diagram already created for you with the outcomes listed. The probability of selecting a male registered voter from 18 to 24 is 0.165. That's just because they multiplied this value here and this value here, just like we did on problem number 1. A says, what is the chance of polling? The polling company will select a registered female voter who is 65 or older. So we are going to use this branch here because it's female and it says 65 or older. We are going to multiply the values together to figure out the probability of those. So over here, 0.45 times 0.42. That is your answer to part A, and you are going to finish it on your own. Part B says, what is the chance of polling any voter between 18 and 24? So that means male or female from 18 to 24. I'm going to highlight those in blue. So we've got females 18 to 24 and males 18 to 24. So for the males, this is in part B, for the males we want 0.55 times 0.3. That represents the males. And we want the females, so we're going to add the amount for the females. The females is 0.45, and then the 18 to 24 is represented by that 0.32. So this is all of the females. And whatever your total is your answer. If you want to, you can type this in your calculator just as it is. Your calculator will automatically multiply these two first because of order of operations, and then it will add those to those two. But if you want to make sure, you can put parentheses around it, and that will help distinguish that they're two separate pieces added together.